In a total of 99 seconds, John Galt, also known as the Refill Man, will reveal to you how to easily, cleanly, and quickly refill your Hewlett-Packard LaserJet P1005 toner cartridge and slash your toner costs by 60%. And if you can pump your own gas, you can do this guaranteed. This cartridge sells for $60.99 at the office superstores. Step 1. Add a toner port to your toner cartridge. The RechargeX toner port tool makes adding a toner port, also known as a hole, a snap. You'll add toner through this hole. Step 2. Add the RechargeX RX132 toner formula to your cartridge. Toner formulas vary widely from one series of printer to another, and all of our RechargeX toner is specially formulated to meet or exceed the specifications of the original toner in every single aspect. Pour it slowly and the process is really clean. Step 3. Seal the toner port. The unique RechargeX toner port seal makes sealing the toner port a breeze. Quickly and easily you will completely seal the hopper, a process so easy anyone can do it. The final step is removing and replacing the cartridge reset chip. With the toner hopper completely filled and sealed, the last step is removing and replacing the cartridge reset chip. Unless this chip is replaced, all the new toner in the world won't bring the cartridge back to like new performance. Our RechargeX 132 kit includes the chip at no extra cost. You did it! And RechargeX, that is. Your total refill time will be around 5 minutes. And of course, as with anything, the first time you do it, it will take a bit longer. Your total savings were a hair over $37, or more than 60%. Not bad for a few minutes' work. Having been in the toner and toner cartridge remanufacturing business for more than 20 years, every single RechargeX brand premium print toner refill kit is 100% guaranteed. And our guarantee has no time limit, no fine print. In fact, we even guarantee your printer, fax, or copier will work perfectly with RechargeX as well. Go to www.tonerrefillkits.com/P1005.php to order now, or to learn additional details about this easy RX132 refill process.